Welcome to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to all viewers, subscribers, supporters. So to the point. The Ford 2.0 EcoBoost engine is a turbocharged, direct-injection, four-cylinder petrol engine that has been a workhorse for Ford across many of its midsize vehicles. It aims to deliver a balance of strong performance and reasonable fuel efficiency. Review and opinions. The 2.0 EcoBoost generally earns praise for its smooth power delivery and ample torque across a wide RPM range, making it feel muscular and responsive in various driving situations. It provides acceleration that often rivals naturally aspirated V6 engines while offering better fuel economy. Reviewers and owners often appreciate its refinement and quiet operation. However, like other early EcoBoost engines, its reputation has been impacted by reliability concerns, particularly with coolant system issues in earlier generations. While many owners have trouble-free experiences, potential buyers of used vehicles need to be aware of these known weaknesses. Advantages: strong performance. Delivers impressive horsepower and torque for its size, providing good acceleration and towing capability for its class. Fuel efficiency, official on paper, it offers competitive fuel economy figures, contributing to lower running costs compared to larger, less efficient engines. Refinement generally operates smoothly and quietly, enhancing the driving experience. Versatility used in a wide array of Ford and Lincoln vehicles, from sedans, Fusion/Mondeo, and SUVs, Escape/Kuga, Edge, Explorer, to performance models, Focus ST. Torque delivery. The turbocharger provides good low-end torque, making the engine feel responsive from low RPMs. Disadvantages and faults. The 2.0 EcoBoost has faced several notable issues, particularly in earlier versions. Coolant leaks/head gasket issues. Similar to the 1.6L EcoBoost, some early 2.0L EcoBoost engines, especially those manufactured between 2012 and 2018, were prone to coolant leaks due to design flaws in the cylinder head or block or faulty head gaskets. This could lead to coolant entering the cylinders, causing misfires, overheating, and potentially severe engine damage or even engine fires. Ford issued recalls and extended warranties to address these widespread problems. Carbon buildup. As a direct injection engine, carbon deposits can accumulate on the intake valves over time, leading to reduced performance, rough idle, misfires, and decreased fuel economy. Regular maintenance or specialized cleaning, like walnut blasting, can mitigate this. Turbocharger failures. While generally robust, turbochargers can fail prematurely due to insufficient lubrication, often linked to poor oil maintenance, excessive heat, or manufacturing defects. Symptoms include whining noises, loss of power, and blue smoke. Oil dilution. In some instances, particularly with frequent short trips or in colder climates, fuel can mix with the engine oil, diluting it and reducing its lubricating properties. This can accelerate wear on internal components. Engine malfunctions. Some reports attribute various engine malfunctions to issues like low-pressure fuel pump, LPFP, failure, or cracked exhaust manifolds. Breakdowns, common causes. The most severe breakdowns are typically linked to catastrophic engine failure, primarily due to severe coolant intrusion causing internal engine damage or seizing. Overheating, resulting from coolant leaks or head gasket failure. Loss of power/limp mode, often caused by turbocharger issues, severe carbon buildup, or misfires from coolant intrusion. Crucial advice. If considering a used vehicle with an early 2.0 EcoBoost engine, ensure that any recalls or service bulletins related to coolant intrusion have been addressed by Ford. Diligent maintenance with the correct fluids is also critical. Fuel consumption. Official fuel consumption figure for the 2.0 EcoBoost varies significantly based on the vehicle and power output, typically ranging from the mid-30s to mid-40s mpg, UK. For example, a Ford Edge with a 2.0L EcoBoost might be rated around 23 city/30 highway/26 combined mpg, US. However, real-world fuel consumption can often be lower than official figures. Drivers who frequently utilize the engine's turbocharged power or drive predominantly in urban settings will likely see lower numbers. For instance, some users report averages around 22 to 29 mpg US, depending on driving conditions and vehicle. Timing. The Ford 2.0 Ecoboost engine from the Ecoboost i4 or Global i4 family generally uses a timing chain rather than a belt for its main camshaft drive. Timing chains are typically designed to last the life of the engine and do not have specific replacement intervals like timing belts. However, issues such as chain stretch or tension or failure can occur, often signaled by rattling noises, especially on startup. Regular oil changes with the correct specification are vital for the longevity of the timing chain and its components. Oil. The 2.0 Ecoboost engine is particular about its oil specification. It typically requires a 5W30 fully synthetic engine oil that meets specific Ford WSS M2C specifications, such as WSS M2C946, A, WSS M2C946, B1, or a WSS M2C961, A1 for newer models, or WSS M2C913, C/D for older ones. Using the incorrect oil or extending oil change intervals can lead to increased wear, exacerbate carbon buildup, and potentially contribute to turbocharger issues. Oil capacity is typically around 5.2 to 5.4 liters, 5.5 to 5.7 US quarts, with a filter change, though this can vary slightly by vehicle and model year. Regular oil changes, e.g., every 10,000 miles or annually, whichever comes first, are paramount. Versions. The 2.0 Ecoboost has been offered in several power outputs, often varying by vehicle application and market. 200 PS, 197 horsepower. 240 PS, 237 horsepower, a very common output, especially in early models. 250 PS, 247 horsepower, a more recent common output, often with slightly revised designs. 252 PS, 252 horsepower, notably in the Focus ST, with a sportier tune. Some newer versions of the 2.0 Ecoboost may also feature technologies like dual-port and direct injection, PFI plus DI, for improved fuel atomization and to help mitigate carbon buildup. History. The Ford 2.0 Ecoboost engine made its debut around 2010 to 2011, part of Ford's ambitious global EcoBoost strategy. It was intended to replace larger naturally aspirated engines, like V6s in some applications, by offering comparable power with better fuel efficiency and lower emissions. It quickly found its way into popular models like the Ford Fusion, Mondeo, Edge, Escape, Kuga, and Explorer. However, by the mid-2010s, widespread reports of coolant intrusion leading to engine failures and fires began to surface. These issues prompted significant recalls from Ford in various regions, affecting numerous vehicles equipped with the 2.0 Ecoboost and also the 1.6 Ecoboost. The recalls often involve software updates to detect low coolant levels and, in some cases, extensive engine repairs or replacements. Ford later made revisions to the engine design to address the coolant intrusion problem. While the original 2.0 Ecoboost faced significant challenges, later iterations and the experience gained have contributed to more refined and potentially more reliable EcoBoost engines in subsequent years, although it is still crucial to ensure any recall work has been performed on used vehicles. Thank you for watching the video, and I invite you to subscribe to the Automotive Freak channel. Greetings to everyone, and see you in the next episode. See you soon.